So the next wallet that I'm said we need to get is what we call Trust Wallet. So from Play Store, as you can see from here, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. You go ahead and get it downloaded if you don't have it. So you can see I've already have it installed. So Trust Wallet. So you can see that it has over 4.3 star, and it is being rated as you can see, and then it has over 50 million downloads. So it tells you that this actually is a very trustworthy platform wallet. So if you don't have it, just go ahead and get it downloaded. Once you have it downloaded, you go ahead and click on open. So that is what you can see from here. So what I have to do is that I'm going to create a new wallet so that you see how to get it created. So for your case, you are going to create a new wallet before you can get access to the home interface you see here. So we're going to click on the settings icon at the very top, as you can see above at the very top. Just click on that and then you'll be seeing this. So from here, you can see we have customer support here. If you need assistance, you can click on help center or support for any assistance you need. Security options are also available here. You can go ahead and do that as well. So now we're going to click on where you see wallet at the very top. Just go ahead and tap on wallet, and once you do that, you can see at the very top I have created 3 wallets here. I have Tron1, Tron2 and bestscan.com. So I'm going to create a new one. So I'm going to click on the plus sign from the very top. So to create a new one, after I click on the plus sign, you can see it's either you add a new, you create a new one, or if you have an existing, you can go ahead and go for the existing wallet. I already have a new account, so I'm going to click on we are creating a new wallet, so I'm going to go ahead and click on create new wallet, and these are the 2 options that I have available. You have secret phrase and then we have script. So when you click on secret phrase on the details, it gives you extra information. Just spend time, go through it, and then see whatever is there for you according to the transaction. It says create and recover wallet within 12, 18, and 24 word secret phrase before you can proceed. This one also says that create and recover face ID and then fingerprints. So if you want to use your fingerprints only, you can decide to go in for this second option. That's called the script, or you can go for the secret face. For our case, we are going to go for the first one, which is okay. You can go for that one, secret face, because these are saying that fingerprint, face ID and fingerprint, but even for the first one, you can still set up fingerprint on it. So let's go ahead. That one also will give us 100 points for free. So we're going to click on create, and here we are. So it's either we back up manually or we can back up to the cloud. So we need to go ahead and do this because you need to protect whatever you're going to do. So if I want to back up manually, I can decide to back up manually. A secret code will be generated, or secret phrase will be generated for you. That becomes your secret. Once you forget that secret phrase and something should happen to your account, that means that you will not be able to recover this. It's very, very important. But it's also advisable to back up before you proceed. It's very, very important. You can skip, but it's not necessary for you to skip. You need to back up. It's very important. So I actually always back this up on my Google Drive. And I click on that. You give your backup a name. So you go ahead and give a name to your backup. Let's say the backup is called Pack. Or let's say it's called Faucets. Then I'm going to click on continue. Then you will be asked to provide the password. So let me go ahead and provide some password here. After you go ahead and click on set encryption, then you tap on this and you tap on that. So it says Trust Wallet cannot recover my secret encryption password. I understand that if I lose or forget, this password will lose access to my crypto. So the moment you lose this password you're going to provide you, that means that that's the end. You'll not be able to access your Trust Wallet. So it's very, very important that you keep the password you're going to type in here. Make sure the password is kept safe so that you can access it at any time that you want. So let me go ahead and provide the password. Alright, so as you can see from here, it is done. So I can now go back in here. So basically, as you can see, I have created a new account. So I can decide to claim my points. And then click on claim all. So basically that is all, then go back. So basically that is it. So this is our new wallet. So that's our new wallet. I actually called mine Faucet. So as you can see, it was called Faucet. So you can see I have one more. I can even change the name. So let's actually change the name to Faucet Pay so that it matches what we are doing. So Faucet Pay wallet, something like this will work. It's okay for me. So you have it there. So now when you tap on that, all the currencies that we have available will be shown right here. So you can see if all the currencies that you want is not showing right here, you can go ahead and click on manage crypto right below here, or from the very top you can click on that very bottom. At the very top you can see, just tap on that option you see there, tap on it, and all the currencies will be shown right here. So if you're looking for a specific currency, you can decide to search for it, or you can scan through and then you locate the one you prefer. So preferably I prefer Bitcoin. So you can see Bitcoin is there, Ethereum is there. I also need Solana, so I can check it up. I need Dogecoin, I'll check it up. I also need TRS, I'll check it up. And then I will need USDT. So let's search USDT, and you have it there, USDT tighter. So you check on that also. Then I can go back and all these will be added also here. So you can see I have all the currencies I requested right here. I can go ahead and manage crypto and then add more coins to it if I want to. So you decide which one you have to go for. So depending on whatever you're doing, you can decide to go for the coin of your choice. So basically, so after you have done this, now what we're going to do is that we need to link one of these coins to Faucet Pay. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So tune for the next video.